Hi everyone. So we're back with another LeetCode question. Today's question is palindromic substring. The question says given a string S, return the number of palindromic substrings in it. A string is a palindrome when it reads the same backwards as forwards. Okay, a substring is a continuous subsequence of characters within the string. And so yeah, I hope everybody understood what the question is requires here. So we basically have to return the number of substrings which are palindrome. Okay, yeah, there are multiple ways of doing this solving this question. And first off, let's try doing it the brute force method, using the brute force method. Okay, so why don't we try using brute force method? Okay, so we'll declare a variable that will store our answer. Okay, and then we need two for loops for I in range, length of s, and another for loop for j in range, length of s, but will start from I. Okay, or rather it should start from I plus 1. Yeah, and this should go from till I plus length of s plus 1. Okay, and yeah, if s of sliced version of I mean sliced s of I till I from I mean sliced of version of s from I to j is equals to sliced version of I to j, but in reverse order, which can be done doing this. If that is true, then answer will be incremented and we will be returning the answer. Let's see if we pass the sub test cases. Yes, we do pass the first two test cases. Now let's see if this solution can be submitted. Yes, so we do have a successful submission. Thank you for watching.